Here I've got Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open some screen that we would like to capture, maybe the gallery. And if you would like to show someone that you have no photos inside, that you have no photos in your Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, just tap on power key and volume down key and hold them all together for about 3 seconds. And as you can see, the screenshot has been made. So now you can scroll down twice and click on screenshot captured. Open it via photos or gallery. Let me pick gallery. And now, as you can see, this is our screenshot. You can edit it, you can share it with your friends, you can of course delete it or do whatever you want to. You can also open it via the gallery, not only immediately after taking the screenshot through the upper bar, but you can open the gallery. And as you can see, here is your screen. So that's it. This is how you can take a screenshot with your Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, so you can share the fleeting content with all your friends, or you can just save it to have it on your device. So thank you for watching, enjoy, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.